Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can preview quest rewards in Fish It Roblox. So if you guys start off grinding out long quests only to get a reward you don't even need, here I'm going to show you the hidden menus and tricks to see exactly what you'll get, whether it's roads, secret baits, or maybe just coins before you even start the missions. So once you can just open Fish It. So before starting a quest, you can see the reward first. So in here, what you need to do is just click on the quest list, and there will be this quest list that you need to finish, and also the seasonal or the event one in here. So to get to preview the rewards, you can just click on the quest in here, and you'll see at the bottom there will be the quest details, and you'll see at the bottom the rewards that you'll get after completing the quest, like such as this one. You can get the pirate ship, and for the new coral quest you can get the coral lantern, and for the crystal gathering you can get the pickaxe, or this one, the Leviathan's wrath. So that's how you can see the rewards of quests. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.